Hello, I am back. I'm Nagendra, CPA. This is my first video on financial accounting. So, obviously, the first question you will ask is what is financial accounting? There are two aspects to this one is financial and accounting. Accounting is self understandable. Accounting originates from the word accountability. For all the actions that we do, we are accountable. Accounting talks about accountability of business people. To whom? To the stakeholders, to the lenders, to government authorities, and so many other people who use financial statement to judge a business. Then comes financial, prefix to financial accounting. So if it is financial accounting, can there be an accounting without financial? Yes, there can be. First, let's understand what's financial accounting. Financial accounting records all the business transactions that are relevant to financial information of an entity. So, what is not financial in that case? Cost accounting does not have to be financial. Management accounting partially will be financial. It doesn't have to imbibe within itself all the financial principles and guidelines. So, there are so many other variations to accounting, like tax accounting. Financial accounting, as I mentioned, is accounting for all the business transaction which is aligned with the guidelines issued by the accounting regulations authorities. So they do issue guidelines which are called accounting standards, accounting codes, or some other names of handling each of the transaction. When I say handling, it can be relating to identifying a transaction as a financial transaction and identifying value of such transactions, because the cash I pay doesn't have to be the actual value of a transaction, or I don't have to pay anything but still there can be a financial transaction. So identifying that and guidance on how to account that, what should be debit, what should be credit, what provision should we make, what amortization we have to make. There are several guidelines. It's an ocean actually. So to summarize, capturing all the financial transactions in the books of accounts in line with the given advisory notes by regulatory authorities is financial accounting. So, why do we need financial accounting? There are several objectives you can list out for, but some of the key objectives. First one, financial accounting captures financial information of your business. So, what if it is not doing it? You will not know the financial status of your business. You don't know what profit it made, what losses it's incurring. You don't know what's the EBITDA. You don't know the capital. You don't know the capex. All the cash I receive doesn't have to be my income. All the cash I pay out doesn't have to be expense. There's a capital part of that. There's capex part of that. There are other things, lenders, money, and everything else. Accounting the financial transactions in the books of accounts help you rightly classify the transactions, then consolidate them as per advised format, auditing them and publishing them to various stakeholders, be it your investors, be it your lenders, bankers, or regulatory authorities. So the second most important objective of financial information is it provides you key data for your strategic business decision making. Any business decision that is made without considering financial data has high probability of failure, because these are based on one's emotions, one's gut feeling. They are not backed up by financial information. A strategic decision that's backed up by financial data has high probability of success, high probability of buy-in by the management, and high probability of your team backing you up because you are rational, you are logical. This is the second most important objective of financial accounting. The third most important objective is every business which is existing in an economy, in a country, is obligated to comply with law of the land. First and foremost, law will always be relating to the human capital of that economy. When it comes to human capital, you have to let the government know how capable are you for paying the salaries of those employees, paying social securities of those employees. Second most important expectation from the government will be for you to comply with the tax regulations. So you must capture financial information, classify your taxable income as per the given tax law of the land, and then make the tax payment regularly and file the returns. Financial information plays a significant role in this. Fourth most important objective for financial accounting is it helps you set goals. For us to reach a different city, what do we use? We use maps. Financial information is like map to a business. It's a roadmap. So using that financial information, I set expectation of where I want to reach in next 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, whatever period you expect. Then based on forecasting methods, which uses historic data, factors, socio-economic market and internal production factors into that, and brings in a forecast indicating what are practicalities of reaching XYZ goal in next ABC period. Financial information is necessary for this. The next most important benefit of financial accounting is, imagine a situation where your friend comes and asks you to invest $100,000 in his company. You don't know any information about his company, what the company is, how much of business the company is doing, what's the return it's providing. How comfortable are you investing in that company? You may give a second thought because it's your friend asking, but if it's a stranger asking, you'll outrightly say no. But think of that company which is listed where you have bought few stocks. What did you base your decisions on? The financials of that company. What does it say? Financials help you build the trust with the investors. An entity which does not provide right financial information, or an entity which cannot produce financial information on time, cannot win trust of its stakeholders, be it the investors, be it the bankers, be it the lenders or creditors. And a company which can produce regular financial statements on time and accurately always wins the trust of the investors. So these are the key benefits of financial accounting. Let me know what are your thoughts about uses of financial accounting. And let me also know how are you liking this video and which other topics you want me to cover in forthcoming videos. In my next video, I'm planning to discuss about financial statements. What are the financial statements which regulatory authorities require? What are the financial statements which your stakeholders and investors require? What are the uses of them and how to read them? Have a good time. See you.